got a couple more holes than it does in the ad, but we're looking to put it back together. Maybe not today, but soon. Bye. I've been talking about my boat quite a lot, so I was hoping that I could show it to you so you can see what it looks like instead of just parts of it, because I think it's just in disparate sections is nice, but let's see what we're actually working with, okay? Alright, we're looking at a 1958 Peterborough Capella. It's 14 feet long and 3 inches. It's a cedar strip boat. It's got some mahogany parts on it. The mahogany transom. Mahogany is also underneath the built-up front section there. You'll notice there's some holes in the floor. I've got some old seat parts up here. These are original seat parts. They have the serial number and model number engraved into them, which is kind of cool. Got the cedar ribs in there for some reason on top of the oak ribs. Those are going to need to come out. Let's take a look at the front up here. You can see those cross pieces are mahogany. We've got some oak and cedar mahogany. Taking a look along the length of the boat, you'll see that there are extra cedar strips and cedar ribs. And of course, we all know that those ribs should be made out of oak, so we're gonna find out what is under there. Let's pull some of this stuff off. Okay, hello everybody. Nice to see you. Here we are on the inside of the boat. You'll notice that these ribs are all cut off right here. They keep going over there and all the way up and inside the boat. Why they've been cut off here, I have no idea. The fact of the matter is, though, that I need to be in here ripping some of this stuff off. These ribs need to be every one of them. They're all cracked. They need to go all the way along the length of the boat through the center, and so I just need to get rid of all this junk. That's what I'm doing today. And you'll notice I'm wearing my headphones because cracking these cedar is quite loud. Hey, have a good day. Now I'm going to show you the curvature of the boat. We're quite near the transom. You'll notice that the ribs are cut off just above the spray rails. That's the original floor down there. It has some other cedar parts glued to it. That's one of the runners. The light's currently sitting on the keel. You'll notice that there's cedar missing from above that. There's no keelson. There's a lot of construction adhesive as well. So what the original owner did was lay this piece of cedar that I just touched there on top of the old floor with construction adhesive so that he could lay that cedar. You'll notice those weirdo cedar strips I was ripping off. Laid it on top of there. All normal. There it is. It's all. Alright, well, thanks for watching. There's one last surprise here. This piece of cedar, that piece of cedar. The aged pieces of cedar are the original lattice work for the floor from this Peterborough Capella. The original owner cut them up, turning them into just trash. There you go. So I got a hole in my bottom of my boat. We got cracks in the floor. Oh, that's one there. Someone nailed it together. We're taking a look at that. So I separated the original lattice work from the floor. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Maybe I'll do something with it. Who knows? Either way, it was nice to talk to everyone today. Have a great afternoon or evening. Bye-bye.